Hallo agus fáilteamh go féis an tiribeart. Seo acah port-cruinn, port-cruinn a ha cóir-de-riúmsa go mór agus be mé féin tór spóir as. Agus ma ha sibh géirí féidir sibh prop a bhí acah. This is one of my favourite jigs. And if you feel like having a wee bit of fun, because it's about a hat, you might want to get your props ready. No, it's not that kind of hat. It's a Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach, which is a little pointy blue hat. It was a Glengarry, one of the little sort of fore and afty type hats that soldiers wear and wore. So, here we go. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Try those words with me. That happens twice. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Now the next line is just a wee bit different. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Gheibhinn-sa gini. Chuirinn. Try those last two lines again. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Gheibhinn-sa gini. Chuirinn. Okay, doesn't matter what you would pay me, I wouldn't be putting that hat on me, which basically means I think that they didn't really much fancy being a soldier, unlike Alasdair in his uniform. So, try the words very quickly again. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Gheibhinn-sa gini. Chuirinn. And can you hear that you can make out the dance rhythms in the words already before we've even put the tune there? So let's have a wee go at the tune now. I'll do it a bit at a time. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Listen to that again. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Try the whole thing with me. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Now the second line's the same, but just with a wee twist at the end of the tune. Have a listen. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. One more time with that. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. So listen to those two, they act as a pair. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Alright, try that with me. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Now the third one, where the words change a wee bit, you'll hear that the tune is going up and just getting ready to go over to the end of the tune. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Have a listen again. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Sing it with me one more time. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Good. Let's try those three lines together because they kind of belong together. Have a listen and then I'll sing it again and you sing with me that second time round. But have a listen first. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Sing that with me. Hein, ga. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Okay, and the last one. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Sing that with me a couple of times. And Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. So if you listen to how that joins in with the third line. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. So they make one big arc together. Sing those two lines with me. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Let's try the whole of that A part. I'll sing it. You join me on the repeat. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Okay, so the B part is a kind of balance to that, and there are some bits that you'll recognise as well, so you're more than halfway. The words for the first part. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. You have those. So let me give you the alternate tune. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. So it kind of does the same thing, but only up high. Have another listen. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Try them with me. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Ha Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Okay, so you've got that. 3/4 of the way there. Here are the new words. Gheibhinn-sa. Try that again. Gheibhinn-sa. Broga na mini. Broga na mini. So we're talking about this sharp little pointed hat, and the words go Gheibhinn-sa, although it would be as pointy as a broga or a mini, and those are two words for an awl, little sharp pointed tool that you use for poking holes through something like leather. Cobbler's tools, and other people would use them as well. All right. Gheibhinn-sa broga na mini. And then Gheibhinn-sa gini chuirinn. You have those words. Gheibhinn-sa broga na mini. Gheibhinn-sa gini chuirinn. So really, you've only got that third line as the new thing, and a tune that you recognise. Gheibhinn-sa broga na mini. Try that again. Skit figgy biorach broga mini. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. So let's go through the second half, the second part. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. 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 Get figgy biorach broga mini. Get figgy biorach broga mini. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. All right. I'll sing the whole of the B part and then you join me on the repeat. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Get figgy biorach broga mini. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Get figgy biorach broga mini. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. All right, Maha. To round off, let's sing through the whole song, the whole posta bia, the whole jig, and if you have your hat, when you decide you don't want to be wearing the hat, off it comes. Hing, ga, three. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair stiorach. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Skit figgy biorach broga mini. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Bonaid Bheag Bhiorach Alasdair Gorm. Skit figgy biorach broga mini. Get bhiodh-sa gini chuirinn. Maha Shif.
Set the whole set the void, met the letter Hulentone set the void, met the letter Hulentone set the whole set the void, met the letter Hulentone set the void, get the vigness a ghost, get the little gore, get the vigness a ghost, get the boss, get the vigness a ghost, get the little gore, get the vigness a ghost, get the boss, met the letter Hulentone set the whole set the void, met the letter Hulentone set the void, met the letter Hulentone set the whole set the void.